Alright, little ducky, what are we going to name him?
His name is Dash.
Dash. Here is Dash the duck. And he's swimming in our sink.
He's learning.
He's learning.
Swimming lesson.
Yeah, this is his second swimming lesson. You gotta love it, baby. Dash the duck. Okay, now we come over here and Karen's got food for the birds. And here's our famous bathtub that everybody seems to share. Ducks, geese, turkeys, large fish.
Oh, that's right.
Where's the fourth one? Is he buried?
He's in my arms.
Oh, he's in your arms. Okay, there's three there. And here's Karen feeding this one. Getting ready to feed this one.
He doesn't want to eat. He's been a little traumatized.
Is he the runt?
No. He's the one that was knocked out of the tree and his brothers and sisters were smashed with a rock.
Yeah, that's not good.
He's not.
So he doesn't trust people.
No, he's very scared still.
Some kid going around necking birds out of trees.
Okay.
And killing the birds.
Okay.
It's just not cool.
Oh, that's good stuff, huh? That's good stuff.
Well, anyway, all four of these birds came from different nests. And now they made their own nest in our tub. So, and they all seem to get along just fine.
That's because they're animals.
So anyway, this is our little evening with the birds. With the birds. Karen feeding the birds and the duck taking swimming lessons. Say goodnight, Dash. Can you say goodnight? Okay, bye. Bye, Karen.